Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Lydia and on this channel I talk about technology, AI, crypto, automation and all the stuff that changes how we work. Today I'm going to teach you something that sounds simple but actually is the most important skill for working with AI in 2026. Prompting. I'm going to show you the exact formula and techniques that top AI startups are using right now. So let's dive in. First, let me tell you something that surprised me when I started researching this.
Meta prompting is turning out to be a very, very powerful tool that everyone's using now. It kind of actually feels like coding in 1995. Like the tools are not all the way there. We're in this new frontier. But personally, it also kind of feels like learning how to manage a person.
Think about that. When you manage a person, you need to give them context about task, explain what success looks like, show examples of good work, define the role that they're going to play, specify the format that you want. It's the same with AI. The problem that most people have is a bad prompt. For example, write me a workout plan. Output is going to be generic and useless. Good prompt would look like this. You're a physical therapist with 10 years of experience. I am 70-kilogram male looking to gain 5 kilo of muscles over 3 months. I can only go to gym twice a week for 1 hour each session. Create me 3 months progressive training program. Format it as a table with the week, day 1 exercises, day 2 exercises, notes, columns. Output is going to be more specific, actionable, and perfect for you. The difference is the structure. Here's the formula that works every time. I learned this from studying how the best AI companies write their prompts. The 6 components are task, context, examples, persona, format, and tone. Let me break down each one. Task is mandatory. The rule that you always should follow is to start with the action verb. Good task statement would look this way. Why it matters? Without a clear task, AI doesn't know what you want. The task is the only mandatory part. You can skip everything else if you need it, but never skip the task. The context is also important. Context is tricky because you can give infinite information. Here's how to filter. Ask yourself 3 questions. What is the user background? What does success look like? What environment are they in? Before or without context, it would look this way. 70-kilogram male is going to be background. Going to gain 5 kilo of muscles in 3 months. It contains success criteria. Can only train twice per week, 1 hour per session is an environment. Give me a training program. Notice, I didn't say I also want to look good on Instagram or I prefer upper body details. Give just enough to constrain the possibilities. Number 3 is example. Is also important. Research shows that including examples drastically improves output quality. Here is something cool from AI companies. They use XML tags in their examples because AI models were trained on code and respond better to structured formats. Example from a real AI startup. Analyze user feedback, categorize by theme, prioritize by. This works better than a plain text because the AI sees structure more clearly. Persona is the one that is nice to have. Persona equals who you want the AI to be. Think of someone you wish you had instant access to. So, for example, you're working out. You're a physical therapist with 10 years of experience. Job hunting. You're a hiring manager at Fortune 500 company. Marketing brief. You're a senior product marketer. And with persona, it would sound like you're a senior product manager. Help me write a product launch email for our new AI tools. The email should go to Tim Cook. You can use famous people or fictional characters. Format. And visualize exactly how you want the result to look like. The common formats are table, bullet points, email, code block, markdown with headers. Number 6, tone. Tone is easy to understand, but hard to remember all the adjectives. Here is the trick. Tell AI the feeling you want. For example, I'm writing an email to a team I haven't worked with before. I want to be taken seriously. Give me 5 tone keywords I can use in my prompt. So response will be professional, Approachable, clear, collaborative, confident. Write an email introducing myself to the marketing team. Use clear, professional language with an approachable and collaborative tone. So, putting it all together, let me show you a complete prompt using all 6 components. Persona. You're a senior product marketing manager at Apple. Context. You just launched the Apple Car in collaboration with Tesla. You received 12K per orders, 200% above target. Write an email to boss Tim Cook sharing this positive news. Format. The email should include TLDR section at the top, project background, why this product exists, business result, quantifiable metrics, thank you section for product and engineering teams. Follow the same structure in this email. Tone. Use clear, concise language with confident yet friendly tone. If this was helpful, like this video, comment the best prompting tip, subscribe for more AI content, and thanks for watching!